In this video, we're going to look at the application questions of simultaneous equation. And first of all, I'm going to show you how to do um, to, these two questions with substitution method, and then we're going to do elimination as well. Now, with this example here, the sum of the age of the boy and mother is 48. So we're going to call the boys is X years old and the mother is Y years old. Okay. The first equation that we have is they talk about the sum. So the sum is addition. So we have X plus Y equal 48. Now, if the mother is three more than twice the boy, the mother is Y, three more than twice, more than is plus, twice the boy, which is twice means two times the boy x. So what they're telling you that the mother is y equal to 3 plus 2x, like that. So you can see we actually forming two equations here simultaneously. So we can solve for x and y. And when we solve for x and y, we can find the difference in the age of the boys and the mother. All right. So to solve for this, you can see y equals something, y equal 3 plus 2x. So what we do is we're going to substitute y equal 3 plus 2x into here, into the first equation. So I sub y equal 3 plus 2x into x plus y equal 48. So if I take it slowly, my equation is x plus y equal 48, and I write x plus, and instead of writing y, I'm going to write 3 plus 2x. So y, x plus, and replace this as 3 plus 2x, like that, and let that equal 48. And from here, you can solve x. X plus 2x is 3x plus 3 equal 48. Then opposite of plus 3 minus 3 on both sides, you got 3x equal 48 minus 3 is 45. And then opposite of times 3 divided by 3, so 45 divided by 3, that gives you 15. So you can see the boys is 15 years old, right? So this means his mother, so now you have to find y. So to find y, you can substitute back into either this equation, the first equation or the second. The first is also easy because x plus y equal 48 and you know x equal 15. So I'm going to sub x equal 15 in x plus y equal 48. So I will have x plus y equal 48. X is 15, 15 plus y equal 48. Y will be 48 minus 15. That gives you 33. So my, the mother is 33 years old. All right. Now, now you have the answer. The boy is 15, the mother is 33. Now the question asks you to find the difference in the age of the boys and the mother, which is the mother is 33 and the boy is 15. So the difference will be 33 minus 15, which is 18 years old. So 18 years, so they are 18 years apart. All right, here's another example of forming simultaneous equation and solver. So here you see the two company A charge you $20 per hour, company B charge you $45 per hour and $45 and $15 per hour. Find the rule for 3 hours for company A. So let's start with company A. A is the Y value and T is the X value. So if I want to find the rule, we will have A is the cost equal. Company A is $20 per hour and you have 3 hours. So if you will have 20 times T or 20T. That will be the salary for company A. Whereas company B, if you do B, company B charge pay $45 and $15 per hours. So we have A is the salary. $15 per hour will be 15T because you have T hours, and then you need to pay $45 on top. So 15T plus 45. Okay. What should be so the two simultaneous equation from part A. So basically you can write them together and solve them for A and T. A equal 20T and A equal 15T plus 45, like that. So because they both equal, you can see they both equal A. So basically, this have to be equal to this. So let them equal each other. Okay, so I have 20T equal 15T plus 45. Then the opposite of plus 15T is I minus 15T on both sides. So minus 15T here, minus 15T here. 15T, 15T go away. 20T minus 15T is 5T. 5T equal 45. And then opposite of divide by time by 5 is divided by 5. Then you have T equal 45 divided by 5 is 15. So the intersection happens at 15 hours, right? And you can solve for A. So if you sub A back in A, so you can do in either these equation. A is 20T, that's probably easier. So you do 20 times 15, that give you 300. Okay, so A will be $300 at 15 hours. Um, Question C, state the number of hours worked for which the earnings are the same for the two companies. So if you think of how does that how how does that make any sense? Think about T is the number of hours on the x-axis. Um, the y-axis is the salary. Okay, that's A in dollar. So with company A, you can see company A, the equation is 20T. So 20T means the y-intercept is 0 here, and then the grade is 20, so they go up by 20. Every $1, you go up by 20, like that. So you see it's continue going up that way. All right. Now for company B, um, let me just write this out. Oh, for company B, you start at 45, which is the y-intercept. So the y-intercept is 45, a little bit higher. So that's 45 here. Okay, but the grade is 15. So for every $1, you go up by 15. So you would have a slower rate, but you start at the higher value. So it goes something like this. So eventually you can see that company A, so that's A and that's B. Eventually, company A and company B, you can see they intersect at this point here. And this is the point intersection. So they intersect at when T equal 15 hours and the cost is 300. Okay. So So you can see before 15 hours, so initially in this area here, company B is higher than company A. So company B is more expensive than so pay higher than company A. Whereas after 15 hour, company A is more than company B. So for this question here, let's say state the number of hours the worker earning are the same for both company. So if they earn the same, then this is where they intersect. So they intersect. Um, the number of hours will be 15 hours. Okay, and the amount earned for the size, but and the amount earned at the intersection is $300. That's the answer for the last question. But in this question, they ask if they ask, say they say after how many hours do company A earn more, then you could say after 15 hours, company A earn more than company B, right? Now we're going to do another two example here, which is more simultaneous equation, but this time we're going to do sub elimination methods. So here they say the sum of two number is that much, their difference is 35 by the two number. So we're going to call x and y. So x is the first number and y is the second number. Okay. So x plus y equal 1633 and the difference is 35. So x minus y equal 35, right? Now, if you want to cancel them out. So you have two options. If you put the minus, the x and the x will cancel out. But if you put the plus, then the y and negative y will cancel out. So up to you. So I'm going to do the minus here because I want to the x to go away. So x minus x go away. All right. Here y minus negative y. Negative and negative become positive. Y plus y equal to y and 1633 plus 35 that gives you 1668 like that. And then you're going to divide it by 2. So 1668 divided by 2 that gives you 834. Okay? Then you can solve for x. So if y equal that, x plus y is 1633. So x plus 834 equal 1633. X will be 1633 minus 834. And that's going to give you how much? 799. So in answering this question, you say the first two numbers. So the two numbers are 799 and 834. All right, here's the last example. So a group of 5 adults and 3 children pay that much, and another group of 3 adults and 10 children pay that much by the cost of 1 adult and 1 child ticket. So we're going to, the first step when you do simultaneous question is you're going to let x and y equal two things that you're looking for. So let's call the cost of adult ticket is x and the cost of child ticket is y. Or you can call another letter if you want to. So they said here five adult ticket, 5 adult. So 1 adult ticket is x. So if 5 adult, you're going to have 5x here. Okay, 3 children, 1 child is $y. So if you have 3 children, it will be 3y. And together, there's $180. So your first equation equals 5x plus 3y is 108. And then you do the same thing for the second information. 3 adults, so you have 3x plus 10 children, 10y equal 155. There you go. Then from here, you can solve simultaneously. Now, look at the coefficient 5, 3, 3, 10. They're all different, aren't they? So I'm going to make them the same. So 5 and 3, I'm going to times here by 3. And 3, I'm going to times here by 5. Okay. So what I have here is 3 times 5x is 15x. 3 times 3y is 9y. 108 times 3 is 324. 5 times 3x is 15x. 5 times 10y is 50y. 5 times 155 is 775. And from here, you can subtract them 15x and 15x and minus them to cancel this one out. So you're left with 9y minus 50y. which is negative 41y. 324 minus 775, that gives you negative 451. Okay, then you can solve it by divide by negative 41 on both sides. So divide by 451 divided by 41, I have $11. So one dry ticket is $11. Then from here you can solve for x by putting back into either this equation. So I'm going to solve y equal 11 in, let's pick the first equation. 5x plus 3y equal 108. So I have 5x plus 3 times 11 equal 108. 5x plus 33 equal 108. So I minus 33 on both sides. So 108 minus 33 give me 75. 5x equals 75. And then I divide it by 5 on both sides. X will be 15. Okay, so in answer to this question, you will say one adult ticket is $15 and one dry ticket is $11.